Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add a link on Gmail. So, let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app and tap on Google. From there, select Manage your Google account. Step 2. Tap on Personal Info at the top of the screen. Step 3. Under the Choose What Others See section, tap on Go to About Me. This will take you to the About Me page. Step 4. Once you're on the About Me page, click on Add More About Me. Step 5. Now, click on Add Link and enter the URL of the link you want to add. This can be your website, blog, social media profile, or any other online presence you want to showcase. Step 6. Finally, click on Save. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to your Gmail profile. This will help others discover more about you and your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.